Dr. Martin Alike, quite simply, was Acholi's gift to Uganda, to East Africa, and to the world. He was one life that rolled many lives into one, always at the forefront of history. You heard just today how he was at Moshi conference. I was the youngest person at the Moshi conference. Professor Lule was the oldest, and Dr. Martin Alike, Yoweri Museveni, and others were in the middle. So Dr. Martin Alike lived many lives rolled into one. I want to say that one of the things that really was always very impressive about the master, he was a very cosmopolitan person, meaning he was open to other cultures, open to other people, made friends everywhere, enjoyed that which other societies and cultures offered. That, incidentally, is a quintessential trait of the Acholi people. That is how Pop Bitek was. That is how Jan Anilum was. That is how Professor Odonga was. That is how David Oti was. That's how Geoffrey Oriema was. It's a long line of people who were very cosmopolitan, and because of that, they gave much to Uganda and to the world. You know, Dr. Martin Alike was a raconteur par excellence. He loves telling a good story, whether it is elegant Uganda, or it is beautiful English, or impeccable Luo. I know this because when we spoke, just the two of us, we always spoke in Luo, and he spoke beautiful, impeccable Luo. Actually, his English was only close to that of Beno Chan. Some of you remember, the pioneer Uganda television newscaster, the first in English. So Dr. Alike's English was beautiful as that of Beno Chan. I really appreciated him for this. Let me say this. Among the things that will always stand out in the life of Dr. Alike, he was highly successful. He had the good fortune to have the best education anywhere, public education, I might add. But he always remembered and was committed to giving back, because he was very conscious of the good fortune he had. He was conscious of the difference education made in his life. He would say to me, if I can even make, and would take his finger and show just a tiny little difference, he would modestly say, I would be grateful. So this is what led Dr. Alike to be so passionate about education. Because he himself, from Keio to Gulu High School, to Budo, to Northwestern University, had the best public education. And he would tell me how Ladit Anthony Pua took him by the hand to Namagonga, introduced him to Namagonga, and he began paying for many students in Namagonga.